Stop letting distracting background noise ruin your amazing video content. Today, we're diving into how to magically remove that unwanted audio clutter using CapCut's powerful built-in features right on your PC. First, make sure your video is imported into CapCut and placed on your timeline. You should see your video track and the corresponding audio track directly below it. With your audio track selected, you'll see it highlighted in blue. Look over to the right-hand side of your screen here. You'll find a comprehensive audio editing panel. Click on the Audio tab to reveal all the audio editing options. See this noise reduction slider? This is our secret weapon against unwanted hums, hisses, and ambient noise. Simply drag this slider to the right. As you increase the value, CapCut will intelligently analyze and suppress background noise in your clip. You can listen back to your clip as you would just find that sweet spot where the distracting noise is gone, but your main audio, your voice or music, remains clear and natural. Once you're happy with the sound, it's time to make your audio crystal clear for everyone to enjoy. Click the Export button here. You can choose your desired video quality and format. CapCut will render your video with the improved audio. And just like that, your videos will sound as good as they look. Polish your videos with clear, noise-free audio using CapCut, and make sure your message shines through.